Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing you how to backup and restore Google Chrome's entire settings. You can backup such as Chrome settings, bookmarks, history, and shortcuts. Right-click on Start button. Open Run. Type in %updata% and enter. Then back to updata folder. Open Local. Find Google folder, open it. Then Chrome. Copy user data folder. Actually, we only need the default folder in the user data folder. If you don't want to copy all, just open user data and copy default folder. Paste to your external devices or your shared folder. Copying. Let us restore this to the newly installed Chrome. I'm opening it for the first time. There is no history, bookmark, and shortcuts in this Chrome. Copy the backed up folder. Open Run. Type in %updata% and enter. Going to the same folder and replace it. If you receive Replace Options message, select Replace the files in the destination. I am currently opening the Chrome. Now showing the bookmark and shortcut same as my old PC. History also here. Restore is successfully finished. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.